This 2017 Mini Hardtop 4-door is brought to you by Twins, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Mini is powered by WER front-wheel drive, manual transmission, intercooled turbo premium unleaded i3 1.5 L91 engine, and has 98,151 miles. Discover fun and style in our 2017 Mini Hardtop 4-door. Your perfect adventure awaits. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.